one of the best things about, getting the frozen vegetables delivered right to your door, it's awesome because I never have an excuse for not having vegetables because they're frozen and they're in my freezer. And the great thing about frozen organic vegetables is that from the field, they're picked, they're frozen, and you get them frozen, and they don't have travel time or they're not sprayed. Really incredibly awesome products. So don't be afraid to use frozen vegetables. Really enhance your meals. So we're going to add frozen spinach to our shake, and no one is going to know the difference. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to add some dried blueberries right into our shake. And one of the things I love, like not having to worry about what kind of ingredients are in the products I get from Green Polka Dot Box, because they're just wild blueberries, a drop of sapphire oil, and some apple juice in here, which is so good. There's no sulfites or nitrates or anything like that, which usually when you get dried fruit, you have to worry about. So they've taken care of that for you. They've read the ingredients. We're going to put a little bit of our dried fruit into the blender. We're going to put our frozen blueberries, frozen spinach, and I love to use frozen food in my shakes because then I don't have to use ice, and you alleviate a lot of the water, the extra water that you don't want. An avocado to make it creamy and delicious, flax seeds for omega-3, chia seeds for all the other super duper things that it does for you, little sprinkle of cinnamon, and then we're using today some vanilla coconut dream coconut milk. I'm gonna put that right in. This is gonna be so delicious. Okay. And we're gonna give that a nice whirl. Blueberry pancakes and a blueberry shake, and I have my blueberry shirt. We're all good, and I honestly don't know which thing to dig into first, but I'm gonna start out with the shake, and oh my god. So good. You can just feel all the good nutrients going through your body. Ciao for now.